Warning, this video contains poor use of editing due to lack of proper equipment, horrible transitions, confusing plot, and to top it all off, the actresses portrayed in this film are amateurs, to say the least. And as if these traits were not bad enough, the worst filmmakers in America were hired for this film. Can you tell this is a low-budget film? If not, this is your warning. Christy, what did you think of the day the fire alarm mystery was solved?
I thought it was so fantastic. It was action-packed. I was on the edge of my seat the whole time. I saw it 4 times. I'm going to go see it again. I loved it.
First film that I've ever seen. It just doesn't even deserve to be looked at.
Custodian, what did you think of the film?
This movie was fantastic. I took my kids to see it, and I'm going to see it again myself.
Well, great. Thank you. What did you think of the film?
It was the worst thing I ever saw.
This is the movie to see. The day the fire alarm mystery was solved. It's going to be the movie of the summer of '95. So come see it. You've heard the reviews. Good. Nothing but good. An action-packed film. Solve this fire alarm mystery.
Shari and Jill present the day the fire alarm mystery was solved. Go ahead.
Last night was so funny. Did you have fun Dunkin' Donuts?
Oh, I had a fabulous time at Dunkin' Donuts. And you?
It was okay, but no. The coffee was good. It's okay though. Oh. Did you do your homework in here? Did you?
Homework? What are you talking about?
I know, nobody ever does the homework. Did you write your essay?
Can't say I did.
It's okay. Jill, wake up.
I'm so bored. Let's do your naughty dance for us or something.
All right.
You're not security.
Guys, we have to get back to work. But the funniest thing happened. Oh my
Wait,
God.
Mr. Goody, I have a question about our essay. Where are we going?
Of course I had to pull the fire drill on a rainy day. Raindrops keep falling on my head. Raindrops keep falling on me. Raindrops keep falling on me. You know what? I feel like the scene from like The Wizard of Oz. I feel like I'm melting.
I'm gonna find the person who did this.
Yeah, it can't be hard. We'll just have Mr. Castle put a message over the loudspeaker, ordering all teachers to check students' hands. That'll work. Maybe if he says they'll be federally prosecuted, they'll come and turn themselves in. I mean, wouldn't you turn yourself in if you were going to face a federal fine and get a record?
And now the fire alarm puller goes on a job interview. Have you ever been convicted of a crime?
No.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime?
No. Yes! That's all right. I pulled a fire alarm.
Sherry, let's solve this mystery.
Yeah, let's start with our classroom. Now, we know we have some people missing because of the usual student government. And, people are gone from that. Wait, isn't it funny that 2 people left the classroom just before the fire alarm was pulled?
Yeah.
But who are those people?
I don't know. Everybody else was in the classroom.
Wait, Jill, there was no band practice today, was there?
Yeah, so?
So, didn't you hear 2 girls say they were going to band practice?
Yeah.
Somebody lied! I missed Mr. Geardy's class for this dumb fire drill. I missed writing my AP essay. Wait, where's Jill? No animals in this film were abused or harassed and were observed by the American Humane Society. Remember, they weren't harassed. Nice dog. How did you pull it off?